Hi, this is Anushka Sharma.
Hi, this is Mehreen Pirzada.
Please subscribe to Book My TV. एक्चुअली ये फिल्म की कहानी है इंस्पायर्ड अंशय जो डायरेक्टर है फिल्म के, उनके दोस्त की शादी हुई थी पेड़ से, क्योंकि वो मांगलिक थे। तो उनको सारे दोस्त उनके चिढ़ाते थे कि उनके दोस्त को कि यार तेरी तो शादी होगी पेड़ से, अब पेड़ भूत तेरे पे चढ़ जाएगा, ऐसा कोई भूत नहीं होगी तेरे पे चढ़ जाएगी। तो एक्चुअली वहाँ से उनको ये आइडिया आया, देन ऑफकोर्स उसके अराउंड लोगों ने एक बहुत ही डीप स्टोरी बिल्ड करी। अगर असली में मुझे कोई भूत दिखेगा तो बिगिनिंग में तो मेरे को डर लगेगा, है कि नहीं, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली भूत है। बट आफ्टरवर्ड व्हेन यू गेट टू नो शशि, विल बी वेरी हैप्पी एंड शी इज वेरी फ्रेंडली, शी इज अ फ्रेंडली स्पिरिट, शी इज स्पिरिटेड। Yeah, I had to be on this hoverboard the whole time, so basically I used to never walk. मेरे पैर ज़मीन पे थे ही नहीं, मैं तो उड़ रही थी, just having a great time, chilling.
She just stopped like
Walking.
walking normally.
I didn't have to walk.
मतलब वही hoverboard पे ही चलती थी।
Because was just that hanging उस harness पे and जो भी rigs बनाए जाते थे एक correct body language और एक posture के लिए, किसी में बैठी हुई, पर मुझे मतलब अपनी body ऐसे इतनी bend करनी है, एक और ऐसे सिर को ऐसे रखना है, तो मतलब थोड़ी अजीब चीज़ें करनी पड़ रही थी, so that was difficult.
I was in the tub and Shashi's coming up, okay? And it's supposed to be super like funny, but at the same time like it's super like I'm supposed to be scared, she's supposed to be confused. तो एक moment था जब मैं इतना confused, ये इतनी confused और सब लोग बाहर हंस रहे हैं, लेकिन हम लोग अंदर we trying to maintain that like sense of कि हाँ ये reality, this is scary as hell. तो ऐसी चीजें बहुत funny.
Actually, we actually just follow stories, you know, like if we get a good story, now it could be anything, it could be a horror film, it could be a thriller or a love story, anything. I mean, it just really depends on the story that we, you know, that we like. तो हम लोग किसी से particular genre में फिल्म बनाने की कोशिश नहीं कर रहे हैं, also because we don't want to create any sort of like an image for our company, because we're not like that. We just want to follow great stories, unique stories, find great content and be able to push it and, you know, influx that into the industry. Actually, Alize का क्या था कि that was very unlike me, and her perspective on life is something which is very different from how I look at life and how I want to be treated. So I think for me that was a very challenging role, and the fact that I got a lot of appreciation for that role despite not having any common ground with the character. As Shashi, it's a very different role to take on in your career. You know, to play a ghost. I mean, that's not something that's happened, but it's more like a fairy tale-ish ghost. See, I can't talk much about Shashi because Shashi is other than the booth, the alive Shashi is someone you have to discover the love story of this ghost, and for that you have to watch the film on 24th March, releasing at a theatre near you. The film's releasing Filori. It's a family entertainer. It's a fun film. You can watch it with the entire family. It's a kids-friendly film. तो आप अपने बच्चों के साथ भी इस फिल्म को देख सकते हैं. Exams खत्म हो जाएंगे तब तक, जब तक फिल्म रिलीज होगी, तो जरूर आना अपनी फैमिली के साथ इस फिल्म को देखने के लिए. 24th March, Filori, releasing at a theatre near you.